Hello, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint training. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to insert the Microsoft Word object directly into the PowerPoint environment, and of course, do anything you want to do in the Word document, update it in the Word document, and it will still be in the PowerPoint. So which means you can always move from the PowerPoint environment into the Word environment from the document object. Now let's see how this can be done. So I'm in the PowerPoint environment. So the first thing I'm going to do is to choose, usually I do that, choose my layout. So if your layout is to have a title and then the document, fine. But if you don't want to have a title or anything, then you should use blank as your layout. So then you go to insert, and then here you will scroll to towards the end part of this ribbon, and that is to the text group, this portion where you have text group, and then you will select objects. Okay. Now the beauty of objects programming language is the fact that everything in the software environment is an object, and you can always deal with objects within another application. So what this means is that you can insert all types of objects that you want into the PowerPoint environment. So in this case, we are going to look for the Microsoft Word object. So Microsoft Word object. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to click OK. Now you have two options. You can bring a new object, or you can create from file, in which case you will go and browse the Microsoft Word file that you want to use. So let's say if I have a Microsoft Word file that I want to open directly into the PowerPoint environment, then I can easily look for the Word document and then choose it. So let's say I pick this, or let's say I pick this, and then I click OK. This unexpected error from copying. Okay. So I can click OK. Let's see what's on there. I think there's something wrong with the file location. But let me just insert object, because already it's showing me some problem. So I knew it may not open. So, but let me just pick the Word, create a new one, and then click OK. So I have the Microsoft Word object in the PowerPoint. I can go for one of my files, maybe just take a copy of the data and then paste here. So as it is now, this is Microsoft Word environment. Okay, this is Microsoft Word environment. So everything that you can do in Word can be done here, because it's a Word object. So I can increase the font size. I can use my alignment tool. I can change the font if I like. And then what else? So I can change spaces, line spacing. And then once I'm done, just click outside. And this is the Word object live in the PowerPoint. So this is useful in a situation whereby you don't want to type this information. You just want to pick it from the Word file directly. can always use this method. Okay. So you can see that the object is clearly positioned in the PowerPoint environment. So to go back to the Microsoft Word, you just double click and then it will show the Word document. So if you are dealing with a file that you want to, an existing file, if what you're trying to open is an existing file, be very sure that the file is in the right location. And then of course you can connect to the object of the file. You open it directly in PowerPoint, and then you can always update here and there and use it in the PowerPoint environment. So this is how to bring objects, especially Microsoft Word objects, into the PowerPoint environment. So see you in another session, and bye for now.